Is Lancaster cast iron the holy grail of skillets? Safe, sustainable, and American-made? Or is it just another overpriced throwback pan that looks pretty on your shelf but underperforms in the kitchen? Well, we tested it to find out. We're always on the lookout for cookware that hits the trifecta: non-toxic, eco-friendly, and built to last. Lancaster cast iron claims to check every box, but can a small batch Pennsylvania-based brand really compete with the other big names? Let's take a closer look. Every Lancaster skillet is crafted using a traditional sand casting method, then poured, smoothed, and seasoned by hand in their Pennsylvania factory. It's an 8-step process with 2 coats of grapeseed oil seasoning baked in, so it's ready to use right out of the box. Now, it's 100% natural cast iron, no synthetic coatings, no chemicals, just raw, recyclable materials seasoned for performance. And it's handmade in the US. Unlike mass-produced competitors, every pan is individually cast and finished in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Sustainably made cast iron is naturally sustainable material that, with proper care, can last for generations. What makes Lancaster stand out in a crowded cast iron market? Well, it's all in the design. Vintage-inspired aesthetic. Lancaster pans are modeled after the classic Griswold pans. They're sleek, they're timeless, and elegant enough to leave on the stovetop. It's lightweight and maneuverable, coming in at just 4.5 pounds. It's significantly lighter than traditional cast iron, making it easier to lift, flip, and clean. Its smooth finished interior provides a naturally non-stick surface that improves over time as the seasoning builds. Large pour spouts designed for easy draining and elegant sauce plating. The thinner frame means it doesn't retain heat quite as well as heavier cast iron. No helper handle, which can be a little bit of a challenge at larger sizes, but it also has fewer size options compared to big box brands. Whether you're searing, sauteing, or oven finishing, this pan brings pro-level performance to everyday cooking. The thin walls help the pan heat quickly, while high heat retention ensures stable, even cooking, especially once preheated properly. Gas, electric, induction, open flame, this skillet handles it all. And thanks to its grapeseed oil seasoning, the surface starts out smooth and becomes more non-stick over time. Now, like all cast iron, it does require hand washing and regular seasoning. But Lancaster's smooth finish makes cleanup surprisingly easy. Lancaster cast iron delivers exactly what it promises: a premium, chemical-free skillet that's easy to use, built to last, and absolutely beautiful in any kitchen. And it's health-friendly. No synthetic coatings or toxic chemicals, just pure cast iron seasoned with food-safe grapeseed oil. And it's eco-friendly. Sustainability made in small batches using recyclable materials and minimal waste. And this thing is built to last. With proper care, this is the pan you'll pass down to the next generation. So if you're ready to invest in a skillet that's elegant, dependable, and rooted in American craftsmanship, Lancaster cast iron should be at the very, very top of your list. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.